If you remember yung ULTIMEA na Poseidon D80 boom na nireview natin, tuwang-tuwa na tayo doon. But today guys, may papakita ko sa inyo na way better na cinematic experience na meron natin here from ULTIMEA, which is super duper heavy, and i-unbox natin right after this quick intro. So like I said, it's super duper heavy dahil itong ULTIMEA na Skywave X70 is super duper heavy. Laki na kanyang box, no? And yes, it's mega heavy. Whew! Grabe. This is probably one of the heaviest unboxing that I have to do. So right now, basta natin playin natin. Isang box ulit. Box section. Nako, mahirap buhatin. Pero try natin. Shit, ang bigat. Oh my God.
3 hours later.
So, cut open lang natin ito ng tape. So, puro styro nakita natin. So, isa-isayin natin to. So, pagbukas natin ng box, you'll see a big box na may letter X. Then, may dalawang speaker siyang kasama, no? Now, once you open this box, you'll see all of the accessories na kasama inside. We have our user guide and manual, which is very important. Need mo basahin to paano kabitin. And you'll see all of the other accessories, mga cables and adapters. So, ito yung wall mounting guide natin. Then, we have yung adapter para sa dalawang speakers. We have some mounts para sa sound bar. We have the HDMI cable, 2-prong cable. We have yung charging brick para sa sound bar. Ito ang ating remote. So, we can calibrate the equalizer, up firing level, sound level, and X-up mix, pati bass pwede dito sa remote. So, kunin na natin mga speakers. So, ganito itsura when you unwrap it. Ito yung speaker na lalagay mo sa likod, sa left and right. So, here are the other speakers. Actually, binreak down niya into 3 pieces yung kanyang sound bar. And later, i-attach natin one by one. So, ang ganda, no? Kita natin na it's modular. Parang Lego lang. Perfect na perfect to if you're packing away. So, kita natin ULTIMEA logo. And here is yung specs niya. And so, here's the big one. Yung super duper heavy nating subwoofer. So, pag nilabas natin, ganito itsura niya. So, talaga mabigat, no? I had a hard time. So, right now, nakabili natin modular nating soundbar. So, it looks like this. Mahaba siya. And yung mga controls niya nandito. Touch sensitive sa ibabaw. And there's 2 up-firing speakers dito sa kanya sa soundbar on the left and the right. And once you completed your setup, it should look something like this. And ito yung itsura ng kanyang subwoofer. And yung dalawang speaker is supposed to be placed at the back, opposite side, no? Opposite direction, para magkaroon ka ng surround sound. So since medyo mabigat tong device na ito, so hindi ko na pinakita kung paano ko siya sinetup, no? Basically, all you need to do is just put in yung plug niya, diretso sa outlet, power on mo, and yun na. Now, itong soundbar, 3 piraso siya, ikakabit mo siya, parang transformer lang, no? Parang modular, parang Lego lang, no? So, you have a speaker firing upward, speaker firing downward, sideward, no? So, andito yung mga controls niya, you have everything here, input, Bluetooth, plus minus volume, pero mas maganda, you can control on your remote, and same din dito, may speaker din dito sa harap. Now, ito yung itsura ng kanyang remote, which is very responsive naman based sa pindot, no? So every pindot makita mo yan, plus minus. You can change your input in dito directly, equalizer mode, or you must better if you calibrate this one sa inyong app, which papakita ko sa inyo a little bit later. Now, may kasama tayo dalawang speaker din, which is this one. Ito yung surround speaker. And here's the other surround speaker. Isang left, isang right. So to give you that more immersive and surround sound when you're watching your favorite movie. So right now, tapos na tayo mag-set up. Let's go ahead and try it out. So right now, kalikutin lang natin tong app niya. Okay, so nakakonect na tayo and kita natin it's the Skywave X70. So tama naman setup natin. We have a soundbar, dalawang speaker, and of course, yung subwoofer. You can play dito directly outside. So, either you go for mga Spotify songs mo dito, play mo direkta, or you can connect it sa TV, diba? Depende, no? So, either go for wired or wireless. You can control yung sounds nandito. Mabilis lang naman. Power on, power off. You can change your source ng music, no, input, either go for optical, HDMI, ARC, Bluetooth, naka-Bluetooth tayo, no, or USB. Depende sa trip mo. Pero ako Bluetooth para wala ng clutter. So, you can also calibrate yung EQ mo dito, equalizer mo. So, you can palakasin mo mga to, up-firing niya, up-firing speaker niya. So, depende sa'yo kung anong gusto mong trip. Ito, suggest ko, i-on mo lang to, no? To give you a better AI sound. Mas maganda ka ng pagka-tuning. So, ako, since naman ako ng movie dito, so I'll put it to cinema muna. Okay, so, sound effects, ganun muna ang setting natin. So, right now, we'll try to play some videos and movies dito sa aking TV, and let's see kamusta naman kanyang sound quality. Pero depende, no, you can kung nanonood ka na NBA, you can change to game mode, night mode, music, kung nakikinig ka lang ng YouTube music, no? Depende sa trip mo. Or you can even customize your own, depende sa gusto mo. Okay, so since we're connected to our TV, itong ating ULTIMEA na Skywave X70, well, wala naman akong Disney subscription tsaka Netflix, so we'll just run it on YouTube. So right now, we're going inside YouTube to check some videos, check some music, and later we'll watch some movies also on this console. So let's watch the trailer ng Street Fighter.
This is your shot at redemption.
To my business as a to the end. Go to the other side, smart. Got a three. 104, 101 LA.
So right now, pakinggan lang natin isang music video from Cat's Eye, itong Pinky Up, one of my favorite LSS song right now. So let's see, no, kung kamusta ka ng sound, dumadagundong nga ba siya. So here goes.
Us against the world, shaking ass in the parking lot. If we get arrested, haha, baby, laugh it off.
So right now, let's quickly watch a episode dito sa Dragon Ball Daima, yung Super Saiyan 4 transformation ni Goku. Let's see, no, kung mafe-feel mo yung sigaw ni Goku while transforming here in this video. So let's check it out. There's more. So right now naman, guys, pakinggan lang natin, no, yung cinematic sound ng one of my favorite videos or movies of all time, Endgame Avenger, yung finger snap ni Iron Man. So here goes. Gusto ko lang i-feel uli, i-relieve uli yung moment, no? Kasi yung surround sound niya sobrang ganda when you're watching in the movie house. So let's see kung kaya i-replicate ni Skywave X70 here sa loob ng aking room.
Inevitable. And I am Iron Man.
So yun guys, nakita nyo na yung different scenes, different na sounds na pinapakita natin dito using the ULTIMEA na Skywave X70. Now, first of all, nagpatugtog tayo ng sounds, ng music video. It was really good, no? Mafe-feel mo talaga yung kanyang bass na kick up, lalo na sa song ng Cat's Eye, na Pinky Up. Yung tug-tug-tug-tuging ano, ang ganda, ang sarap ng pakinggan sa tenga. Then secondly, yung trailer naman ng Capcom na Street Fighter, which ang ganda, yung mga sound effects niya, rinig na rinig mo dito sa surround niya, lalo yung dalawang speaker dyan sa likod, naririnig mo yung dalawang up-firing speaker niya. Ang sarap din sa tenga. Then of course, we watch a basketball game ng NBA between the Rockets and the Lakers, and mafe-feel mo parang yung ramdam mo yung crowd na nagsisigaw sa likod, though medyo faded siya. But what I can say is that okay na okay ka ng sound na, hindi ka mabibiting kahit simpleng basketball game na, you really feel yung kanyang surround sound na parang nandoon ka rin mismo sa arena. And of course, we watched a quick video ng Dragon Ball, yung transformation ni Goku from Super Saiyan 1 to Super Saiyan 4. Eh, mafe-feel mo talaga yung sumisigaw si Goku na parang natatae siya. Yung nag-e-echo sa yung tenga, no? Mararamdaman mo na nung sumisigaw si Goku, parang feel mo na parang yung urge na mag-transform to the next level. Yun na nafe-feel ko while watching this video. Hindi ako nag-e-excite siya, pero talagang okay siya. Then of course, yung pinaka-finale na video na pinakita ko sa inyo, which is this one, si Endgame Avengers. Yung surround background sound niya, ang ganda, no? Yung epic moment na nag-snap ng finger si Iron Man. Ang ganda rin ka ng background surround sound. Feeling mo, well, I wouldn't say na it's 100% na kaya i-replicate yung nafe-feel ko sa loob ng movie house. Pero at the very least, you can get a 80% yung kanyang sound na nararamdaman mo dun sa movie house. Which is for me, pretty good, pretty solid na inside your own room, inside your own house. Getting a almost cinematic na feel inside your own room. Aba, pwede. So yun guys, nakita nyo na yung performance ng ULTIMEA Skywave X70. I was really blown away, and this is probably how you describe cinematic na sound. So I would say na, sinabi ko naman sa video na it's almost 80% ng nafe-feel ko inside a cinema, which is for me, not bad na, no? Kasi iba talaga yung sound sa loob ng movie house. Lalo na kung IMAX pa yung experience mo. Talagang it's mind-blowing, ganda ng sounds. Yung talagang, yung mga sound effects rinig na rinig mo sa tenga mo. And it can be replicated dito sa ULTIMEA Skywave X70. Pero hindi lang yung super-duper lakas kasi katulad ng nasa movie house. Pero almost there. So if you want to get a really good experience, kunwari na-miss mo itong movie na to na gusto mong panoorin pero sa sobrang busy mo or nasa abroad ka, you can always buy that movie and watch it together with your ULTIMEA Skywave X70. It gives you almost a cinematic experience inside your own room. So paano guys, if you're interested nito, I'll pop the link on the description box below or just simply click the YouTube shopping link para makita niyo yung official store and mga promotion na meron ni ULTIMEA para dito sa bagong model na Skywave X70. And balita ko guys, may lalabas sa bagong X100. It's another beast level. So abangan niyo guys. So don't forget to subscribe guys para ma-notify kayo once na nag-upload ako ng bagong review ng ULTIMEA na speakers. Bye guys, hanggang dito muna ako and I'll see you on my next video. Peace out. And so ako para si Richmond and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.